Hello everybody, this will be a video on relating the US dollar yield index relating to Bitcoin price and what this chart of ticker symbol DXY means for Bitcoin. If you guys learned something new from this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So anyways, I mapped out on the daily time frame of the US dollar currency index. This has been a factor relating to Bitcoin. As you can see, the bottom of the dollar was when Bitcoin was topping, and that was around mid-May of last year, along with a January low of last year when Bitcoin was still making kind of all-time highs, and it kind of cooled off at around March, and then it slowly made all-time highs. So you can see the price of the US dollar index is inversely correlated with Bitcoin price. Now, what these major levels mean for Bitcoin is that these are major resistances, in my opinion. Just mapping them out on the daily time frame, we have a daily at 100.8 and another daily from this wick up here at 102.9. In my opinion, I think we're going to grab the liquidity from this highs up here, as we were just kind of ranging, making higher highs and then rejected off of that. And so I mapped that out. That's 100.8. Right now, just looking at market cipher B, it is looking kind of good. We could possibly rally up towards that level. This could actually add downward pressure to Bitcoin as this is happening. But we could come up to these levels. This could be, it would make a roughly 1.14 move on the dollar yield index. Just looking at the higher time frame, the monthly, it's not really looking too good. We could get a red dot printing, and this could be a major trigger downward for price on the dollar. So you can see when we get high momentum, such as above the 60 or more time frame, and we get a red dot, these lead to pretty significant market pullbacks. And just zooming in here, you can see the money flow over time on the monthly time frame has been getting lower, and so this means money is kind of coming out of the asset. Therefore, a correction needs to be occurred. So in the possible May coming up here, or it could be this month even, we could get a red dot signifying a major trend reversal or pullback on the dollar yield index. Anyways, if we do pump up to here at around 100.8, we could get a good rejection based off of that. Scenario 2, really what I'm looking at is price quickly pumping up, a quick wick up, and then grabbing this liquidity from up here and then pushing back down as that monthly red dot starts printing and gets confirmed. And so what this could do is really, for the time being, when the US dollar is pumping, Bitcoin could be kind of trading sideways or decreasing in price for the time being. And as price comes up towards here on the US dollar, Bitcoin could be possibly bottoming out. Then once it starts rejecting, then Bitcoin could start really pumping based off of that. Now, the major question to ask is, when is the dollar yield index going to reach these certain values? In my opinion, just looking at market cipher, reading the values, right now we are getting a green dot on the 3-day time frame, money flow ever increasing. However, the momentum looks like it's going to be losing juice pretty soon. So this could play out as a major push right now. Just relating to the weekly time frame, we are getting a green dot on the weekly time frame. This could actually lead us to a good push to the 102 level. And so I think that the 102.9 level is more probable, as this can act as a major resistance. this could be a possibility of a resistance that could play out. As you can see in the past, price again rejected about 3 times in the past based on the monthly time frame, based off of this level. And so the answer to that question would be within the next 2 weeks or so, this could play out based on what Market Cipher is telling us. And again, why this is so important is that this and Bitcoin are inversely correlated with price. If the dollar shows that it's topping out, this could indicate a potential bottom or a local bottom in Bitcoin, and this could lead to Bitcoin pushing higher. And that is pretty much it, what I discussed in this video. Again, I like to look at other ticker symbols or other charts to relate to Bitcoin price. It helps me kind of get a visual of where the market is heading. And if you guys enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Plus, I'll leave a link to Market Cipher, the indicator that I used in this video, in the description. Thanks. Bye.